Hey there, welcome. You must have at some point wondered about other life out there in the cosmos, asking questions about our importance in the universe. Fear not, because you're not alone. We humans, the curious creatures we are, have dedicated the last 7 decades to exploring our solar system and beyond. Space travel, as it turns out, is not easy. Astronauts train for years before they fly into orbit, but the key element for a successful journey is a functional craft. Let's have a look at the launch of Space Shuttle Atlantis. We'll stop right there. In case you didn't know, this rocket uses refined kerosene fuel. In order to reach space, a rocket needs to have a propulsion speed 20 times greater than the speed of sound. The rocket needs to have protection from the heat and cold from space, so a majority of it is made using silica tiles. These tiles act as insulators, preventing heat from being transferred, making it possible for you to hold onto one while its edge is glowing red hot. We have traveled to the moon and back many times, but what about interstellar travel? The closest star to us except the Sun, Proxima Centauri, is 4.2 light years away. A light year is an incredibly long distance. It is the distance light in a vacuum will travel an entire year. In just 1 second, light can travel around the equator of the Earth 7 times. Taking that into account, how much time would it take us to travel to Proxima Centauri? A bullet travels at approximately 1500 meters per second. Voyager 1, a deep space probe launched by NASA back in 1977 to explore beyond our solar system, traveled at 17,000 meters per second. The fastest man-made object, the Helios 2 solar probe, travels at 70,220 meters per second. But even at this speed, the time it would take us to reach this star would be 18,000 years. That sounds like a painfully long wait. A few theories exist that claim to substantially reduce this time. For example, the Alcubierre drive proposes a way to deliver a spacecraft to a distant object faster than light can get there, not by moving the spacecraft, but by collapsing and expanding space. This is a theory nonetheless, but in the distant future, it might become a reality. Given Earth's annual economical growth and the rate at which technology is evolving, humans are estimated to colonize the whole galaxy in 50 million years. So maybe, one day, traveling through space might be something you do to get to work. But that's way beyond our lifetime, so there's no need to get excited. What you can get excited for is man landing on Mars in a few decades. This will be a huge achievement, and who knows, maybe we might find alien life.